أهلا بكم جميعا في حلقة جديدة.
Welcome everyone to a new episode. Initially, as we always do, we must note and emphasize that everything presented on this channel is purely scientific analysis based on documented research and studies, and does not in any way reflect my personal opinion on current events. Our goal here is science and simplifying medical knowledge to reach every home. I am Professor Samy Mohamady, and today we will dive into a very fascinating scientific journey about a topic that touches almost every family. Imagine with me that there is a heavy guest living with you in the same house, sneaking in daily in complete silence, making no sound and leaving no clear trace, but over time it presses against the walls and main pillars of the house until it threatens to bring it down suddenly and without warning. This is exactly the accurate description of high blood pressure, or as we call it in medical circles, the silent killer. The major problem with this disease is that you might be afflicted with it for years without knowing or feeling any pain. Many people believe that a blood pressure patient must feel constant headaches, ringing in the ears, or nosebleeds, but the shocking medical truth is that the vast majority of high blood pressure patients show no symptoms at all. You go about your life normally, go to work, laugh, and sleep, while inside your heart is exerting a tremendous effort to pump blood, and your blood vessels are subjected to intense pressure day after day until they lose their elasticity and become stiff. Today we won't speak in complex medical terms, and we won't use jargon that makes you feel bored. Today we will sit together to talk very simply, as if in a family gathering, to understand how we can tame this heavy guest and bring it under control. Before we reveal the latest scientific discovery for the year 2026, which might change our perspective on a simple thing we all use daily, let's first open what I like to call nature's pharmacy. That wonderful free pharmacy left to us by our ancestors, which, when modern science decided to examine it under a microscope, was discovered to possess lethal and amazing weapons to lower blood pressure and protect the heart. The first hero in our natural pharmacy is the hibiscus drink. This beautiful red drink that we always associate with the month of Ramadan or family gatherings is actually an amazing natural medicine that works through a very complex mechanism inside the body. Imagine there are very famous chemical drugs prescribed by doctors for blood pressure patients whose job is to disable a specific enzyme in the body. This evil enzyme is the one that commands the blood vessels to narrow and constrict. Hibiscus does exactly the same thing naturally. It contains powerful substances that force this enzyme to stop working, and consequently, the blood vessels relax and widen. And once they widen, the pressure on the walls decreases, just like what happens when you fully open a water hose and the pressure of the water rushing inside it drops. It doesn't matter here whether you drink the hibiscus cold or warm, as the active ingredient is not destroyed by moderate heat. But the secret always lies in consistency, like drinking a cup or two daily for several weeks, and most importantly, not flooding it with white sugar, which destroys all the benefits we are trying to obtain. Our second hero is beetroot juice, or beets. This strong-rooted red plant is like a ticking time bomb of health benefits. Beets absorb a natural substance called nitrates from the soil, and when we eat beets or drink their juice, certain bacteria living in the mouth and on the tongue convert these nitrates into another substance, which enters the stomach, then the blood, and ultimately transforms inside our bodies into a magical gas called nitric oxide. This gas is the true maestro in the human body. It is what gives direct commands to the smooth muscles surrounding the blood vessels to relax and expand. Many people who drank a cup of fresh beetroot juice noticed a significant drop in their systolic blood pressure just a few hours after drinking it. It works like magic to widen the arteries and improve blood flow throughout the body, even improving oxygen delivery to the brain and muscles. As for the third hero, it is available in your kitchen right now, and you might have used it today in your food, which is garlic. Garlic is not just a distinctive flavor added to food to give it a pleasant aroma. It is a strong protective shield for the heart and blood vessels. Garlic contains a very powerful natural chemical called allicin, a substance that works to clean the blood vessels, reduce their stiffness, and prevent cholesterol from depositing on their walls. But there is a small scientific secret to getting the real medical benefit from garlic, which is to crush or chop it well, then leave it in the open air for a full 10 minutes before eating it or adding it to food. Why? Because intact garlic does not contain the active ingredient. Rather, it contains two separate substances. When we crush it, we break the walls between these two substances, and in the presence of oxygen from the air, they react together to produce the magical allicin. This air is what activates the enzymes so that garlic can do its job as a natural medicine protecting your heart. Now, comma. After getting to know these natural treasures in our homes in detail, let me take you on a journey to Britain, specifically to the University of Lancashire. There, in April 2026, scientists published a very exciting new study, so much so that it might change some medical concepts. This study was published in a prestigious global scientific journal called PLOS One. The scientists there asked a question that seems strange at first glance. Can something as simple as peppermint extract, or specifically peppermint oil, really lower blood pressure? And can it be used as an adjunctive treatment for patients? To answer this question with absolute scientific accuracy, the researchers designed a controlled clinical trial, gathering 40 adults aged between 18 and 65. These individuals were suffering from early high blood pressure, medically termed pre-hypertension and stage 1 hypertension, and they were not taking any chemical blood pressure medications yet. They didn't give them medications, but divided them into two equal groups to ensure the accuracy of the results. One group took a placebo drink with a peppermint flavor, but it was just a flavor and contained no real peppermint oil or active ingredient, while the second group took real, pure peppermint oil. The interesting thing is the dose. The dose was never large. It was infinitesimally small, just a tiny drop equivalent to only 50 microliters. This drop is taken and diluted in 100 milliliters of water, which is about half a cup, and is drunk twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. This precise trial continued for 20 consecutive days. And to ensure the results were completely accurate, they asked the participants in both groups to live their lives completely normally, continuing their usual diet and daily activities without any changes, so that no external factor would interfere with the result. Can you imagine what happened after the 20 days passed? When the researchers measured the blood pressure and compared the numbers, the results were astonishing by all medical standards. The group that took the placebo drink saw almost no change in their readings, but the group that took the real peppermint oil witnessed a very large and documented drop in systolic blood pressure, the large number we read at the top of the blood pressure monitor, which reflects the force of the heart pumping blood, as this number dropped by an average of about 8.5 points. It went down from an average of 130 to about 121. In the medical world, an 8-point drop in systolic pressure is a huge achievement because it greatly reduces the risk of strokes and heart attacks. And that's not all. The diastolic blood pressure, the smaller number that expresses the resistance of blood vessels while the heart rests, also dropped by about 4.5 points. The most beautiful and exciting surprise in this study was the resting heart rate. The researchers discovered that the hearts of those who consumed peppermint oil became much calmer, and their heart rate dropped by about 9 full beats per minute. Your heart beats 100,000 times a day, so imagine the amount of rest and effort you save the heart muscle when you reduce its beats by 9 every single minute of your day. But the pressing scientific question here is, how did this happen? What is the magic in this tiny drop of peppermint? The secret lies in a natural chemical substance you all know, which is menthol. This is the exact same substance that gives you a cooling and refreshing sensation when you eat something mint-flavored and take a deep breath. When menthol enters your body, it swims in the bloodstream and goes straight to the walls of the blood vessels, where it communicates with specific gates and receptors in the cells called TRPM8 channels. Menthol speaks with these gates in a chemical language they understand well, stimulating them to open their doors and allow calcium ions to enter the blood vessel lining. This calcium entry is the ignition switch that releases the same magical gas we talked about in beets, nitric oxide. The final result is that the muscles surrounding the blood vessels relax completely and widen, so blood pressure smoothly decreases. As for calming the heartbeats, menthol also affects the nervous system, as it stimulates the activity of the vagus nerve, which is the nerve responsible for relaxation and rest in the body, thereby giving a direct order to the heart muscle to calm down and reduce its speed, because it no longer has to forcefully pump blood against narrow, closed blood vessels. This discovery is considered wonderful and very promising news because pure peppermint oil is widely available, inexpensive, very safe for human use, and most importantly, it does not add calories or sugars to your diet, unlike some other supplements or juices that might cause weight gain or spike blood sugar. It is a simple, gentle, natural intervention that modern science has proven can be a real pillar of support in the journey to control blood pressure and maintain cardiovascular health. However, because we always look for the complete picture, and because our first and ultimate goal is for you to live a healthy, happy, and stable life, we must be honest with ourselves. Herbs, oils, and supplements alone are never enough if our bad daily habits destroy what we are trying to fix. You cannot build a house in the morning and tear it down in the evening, expecting it to be completed. Therefore, I want to dedicate the final part of this episode to sharing some golden medical and practical tips. These are very simple tips to implement, but they will make a massive difference in your lives, whether you already suffer from blood pressure issues, or even if you just want to protect yourselves and your families from it in the future. First, pay close attention to hidden salt. We all know we must reduce salt in our food, which is obvious, but the biggest danger does not lie in the small salt shaker on the dining table. The real danger lies in ready-made foods, canned goods, and restaurants. Ready-made baked goods, sauces, ketchup, processed cheeses, and cold cuts like luncheon meats and pastrami are all filled with terrifying hidden amounts of sodium used as preservatives and flavor enhancers. This sodium enters your body and traps fluids and water inside the blood vessels, which increases blood volume and immediately spikes your pressure, as if you are filling a water balloon until it almost bursts. Always try to go back to home-cooked food where you control the amount of added salt yourselves. Second, move, even if just a little. We are absolutely not asking you to sign up for grueling gyms or lift weights for hours. Simple walking, regular walking at a steady pace for just 30 minutes a day, is like a daily, free massage for your blood vessels. Did you know that doctors call the calf muscle in the leg the second heart? Yes, because when you walk, this muscle contracts and helps the heart pump blood from the bottom up against gravity. Walking exercises your heart, makes it pump blood regularly, maintains the elasticity of your arteries, and burns off the stress hormones accumulated in your blood throughout the day. Third, sleep. Sleep is not lost time in your day. Rather, it is the greatest doctor and the greatest free maintenance in the world. When you sleep deeply for 7 or 8 continuous hours at night, your body declares a state of emergency for comprehensive repair. During the deep sleep stages, a very important physiological event occurs called nocturnal dipping of blood pressure. Your blood vessels relax, your heartbeats calm down, and your entire body is cleansed of stress and fatigue hormones. Depriving yourself of sleep, staying up late, or having fragmented sleep means your blood pressure will remain high and on alert for the full 24 hours, which severely exhausts the heart in the long run. Fourth, and finally, learn how to empty your minds of constant stress. We live in a fast-paced, crowded, and stressful era. Constant stress, anxiety, overthinking, and suppressed anger cause the brain to send signals to the adrenal glands to secrete large amounts of the hormones cortisol and adrenaline. These are the fight-or-flight hormones, and they severely constrict the blood vessels and make the heart beat violently to be ready for danger. The problem is that today's danger is not a lion chasing us, but a boss at work or traffic congestion, yet your body reacts in the exact same way. Dedicate time daily, even if just 10 minutes, to disconnect yourselves from work pressures, disturbing news, and mobile phone screens. Breathe very deeply from your abdomen, sit in complete silence, or practice any simple hobbies you love to clear your minds. In conclusion, I want you to always remember that high blood pressure is not a final sentence, nor does it mean the end of a normal life. Rather, it is just a gentle, early warning from your body, an alarm bell asking you to pay attention, change course, and adjust your habits. With simple and sustainable lifestyle adjustments, with the help of nature's pharmacy treasures like hibiscus, beets, and garlic, wonderful discoveries like peppermint oil, and of course, first and foremost, continuous follow-up with your treating physician and adherence to their instructions, you can live a long, healthy, active, and completely stable life. Take care of your hearts, for they are the great engines that never sleep or stop for your sake. Thank you for tuning in, and I wish you and all your families lasting health and peace of mind. If you benefited from this simplified medical information, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell to receive our latest scientific analyses as soon as they are released.